Uptown Swing level 1, class number 4.
Correct.
Naomi Peter, 8 count. That's all the things I can think to say. So, we worked on swing outs more. You guys did a great job. We differentiated between swing outs and circles. And here's one big point. This right here is about to be a circle. This right here is about to be a swing out. I'm setting up a circle, or I'm setting up a line. If I set up the line, I'm going to step behind myself. It's not the only way to do it, world, but people who took my class, it does help this thing, this distinction. So, if I do it this way, I'm setting up, stepping right underneath myself, probably not behind. So if we could just make that distinction really clear, leaders, I'm either sending my follower down the line, or I'm sending my follower around a circle. Make that distinction there, and life will be better.
Followers, everything felt better when we tried to dance right underneath ourselves and find out what the feeling was.
That's right, and we did some rhythm breaks.
Speaking of, dancing right underneath yourself.
Points! Hey! And we did the low downs next. Can't think of anything. Hey, ho, 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 ho.